Hey! Wait. Look at the queue. Baby. Aya Nachiaz.
I'll be on my way if you want it. I surrender to you. Yes, I am waving the white flag. I surrender to you.
He's going to take his COVID vaccine. Look at him. He's afraid. Fia. Here in Spain, they do it by year of birth. So they've been coming down from the oldest to the youngest. So they are doing his age mates today. Not. You don't smile at all. Tension day, eh? Tension day. Which kind of tension? Why did you drag me out of the house? It's enough for me to drive home in case you start growing horns after taking the shot. So, which one are you taking? Is it Pfizer or AstraZeneca?
Prefer the one dose.
One dose. They're only allowing only those that are taking the vaccine. I wanted to go in and capture the fear man where he's getting his own vaccine, but no. So I'm waiting for him out here.
1 hour later.
This one you're walking like this. You where did they go? Eh? Okay. They give you the job, they tell you to wait for a while.
Yeah, for 15 minutes.
For 15 minutes.
2 weeks later.
I am going for my COVID vaccine. I'm going to take my COVID vaccine. I'm going to drop Ned off at school. Ned, say hi. Hello. So I'm going to drop her off at school and then off I go. It's my turn. The year of my birth turn today. Bye. Love you. Bye. That's the queue.
Two hours later.
So, COVID vaccine done and dusted. Oh my God. Yeah. They're giving us Pfizer here. Yeah. The second dose is in 3 weeks' time. Let's see how it goes. My husband took his till now. He hasn't had any, not even a headache. No symptoms of anything. You go in there's a long queue. Yeah, I'll try and show because I can't film people, but I'll try and show a clip I got. It's a long queue. The injection takes like 1 second. Pim. And there are so many people vaccinating people there, so it's going pretty fast. And then after they've given you the shot, they'll tell you to sit down for 15 minutes in case you start fainting. So after 15 minutes I left.
3 weeks later.
I'm going for my second dose. Hey! Wait. Mira, look at the queue. Look at the queue. Baby. Aya Nachiaz. Look. The first day I came, I was like, the queue is too much. Look, what is this? What the hell? What? Oh, baby. Maybe they first those people, okay? Usually anyway too. But still, our second dose people. Oh, dear. Oh, look at. Can you see that? Can you see that? Oh, God. I can't. This queue goes to another city. What? What? You guys have seen it. We are not living here today. Maybe we should have brought Mato so that we will have our siesta here. Because these people, madre mia, why? Only made the same place. Hey. Finally, we are moving. We went to the end of the queue. This queue is like 5 kilometers long. The whole of this city was born on the year of my birth. Mado Goronono, if you were to say it in Igbo. I hate to see him. Chelo, did they park here? Or parking can have parking here? Oh, what parking? The panya. See who came with me to keep me company in the queue. He has gotten his second dose, but he just came and thought it's something that would take half an hour. But when he saw the queue, he's like, he's like, man, baby, are you sure I will not leave you here and go? Madre mia!
It's so much.
That is it. This city, Goronono, nobody is left at home. I'm telling you, like the crowd here, man. 5 kilometer long queue, a queue without end. And you know, we arrived from the opposite direction, so we had to like walk to the other end.
I got what I deserved, you know it.
See this queue? The queue goes like that, round there. You see where it bends on that other street, and then it will go around all these buildings and come back here. You see those people in that fence, inside that fence. That's where it comes in and ends up in this building there. Sun is the whole day. We should have brought Mate.
Yes, I am waving a white flag.
Look at the queue. Look at the other side of the queue. We've crossed the Red Sea. Look at the, okay, this one is the Great Sea. We've crossed it. These ones are coming from behind. Look at that length. Is that not 1 kilometer? 1 kilometer. And then when it curves over there, you have like 3 times this to the end of the queue.
A way to cool you down. Just one mistake and I am out.
See the queue. The queue is still there. They are still crawling. Look at the other side. Hey, we'll check where it started from to see if they are still there, man. Can you imagine? Can you imagine that the queue, this queue is still up to this point? What? Madre mia, look at that queue, it's still there. I mean, from here down to the end of the queue, where we joined the queue, is at least 2 kilometers, right? Madre mia. What the hell? Good.